Many Ugandans have widely condemned government for the 1% tax on mobile cash transactions. They say the tax has significantly slowed down the mobile money business just 6 days after its implementation began. The response from government officials has been swift, but betraying a sense of panic and miscoordination. On Wednesday evening, President Yoweri Museveni wrote a letter questioning where the 1% levy had come from. He recommended 0.5%. A tax expert, Francis Kamulegeya, who is also the country's senior partner at Pricewaterhouse Coopers Uganda, says the president was merely politicking and trying to appease angry citizens. He says the tax was discussed in cabinet and the president assented to the bill, making it law on 21st June with the 1% tax on mobile money clearly spelled out.
So yes, maybe the intention is 0.5%, but the law that we have as of now is 1%. And it's very, very important that the record is put straight, because this tax has to be collected by the mobile phone companies. They need to apply the correct rate as per the law now.
According to Kamulegeya, the law the president signed puts the tax on depositing, receiving, sending and withdrawing mobile money. So he argues that the rash decision by the Ministry of Finance to exempt deposits on personal mobile money accounts is illegal.
One then asks, what is receiving? When I transfer money from my bank account to my mobile money account, am I receiving? Now, from the mobile phone company's perspective, they don't know about your bank account. They only have visibility of your mobile money account.
On Wednesday, Uganda Revenue Authority released a statement saying that personal mobile money deposits and payment of taxes through mobile money platforms are exempted from paying the 1% tax. Kamulegeya says this is not only discriminatory, but also violates the current tax law.
If I transfer $1 million shillings from my mobile money account to my URA account via the mobile money portal, as far as the law is concerned, that is a payment. Not only am I supposed to pay tax of 1%, but I believe URA also should pay tax of 1% because they've received a payment. Now, if URA then says this tax should not apply on payment of tax because it's a tax on tax, fair enough, but the law has to be amended to reflect that.
The Ministry of Finance is preparing to table new amendments to the Excise Duty Act to reduce the mobile money tax from 1% to 0.5%. However, Kamulegeya says the entire law should be repealed since it has proved problematic in just 6 days of its implementation.
The issue with this tax is not the rate. I ask the people who are going to amend the law, what are you taxing? You've got to tell Ugandans, what are you taxing? Are you taxing income? Are you taxing profits? Are you taxing revenue? Or are you simply taxing money moving from one hand to another? So whether the rate is 1% or 0.5% or 0.01%, this tax is wrong.
Government projects to collect 115 billion shillings from this tax. Kamulegeya suggests other tax measures, including harmonizing at 15% the excise duty charged indirectly from other telecom products, such as short messages, SMS, phone calls, mobile money charges and data bundles. Habad Ziwa, NTV Weekend Edition.